Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at how to select visible cells only and copy. Assuming we have a data like this and we want to hide some specific row, we highlight those specific rows, we go to Format, and we go to Hide Rows. Okay, so these rows are hidden. Now if you copy our data, here Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste it here, you'll see that it's copy all the hidden data and paste all of them here, but that's not what we want. We want to only copy and paste the visible cells. Now to do that, we escape. Now using the shortcut key, we select the range, we use the Alt plus semicolon, then we use the Ctrl C to copy. Then we can now go to any page and use the Ctrl V to paste. You'll see that it only copies and pastes only the visible cells. This is how smart you can really add this to your Excel essentials. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.